In the previous video, we have studied definition of matrices and order of a given matrix. Today we'll consider some example and we'll see the solutions for some problems. Now consider the example. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and women workers in three factories 1, 2, 3. So men workers are given, women workers are given. So now what you have to do means you have to represent the given information in the matrix form, and what does the entry in the third row and second column represent. Just we have to find. Now representing in the matrix form, so matrix enclosed with the rectangular array, matrix enclosed with the rectangular array. So men workers are 30, women workers are 25. This is the first factory. And the second factory, so there are 25 men workers and 31 women workers. In the third factory, there are 27 men workers, 26 women workers. So the matrix form of the given information A is equal to 30, 25, 25, 31, 27, 26. This is the matrix form. Now the one more question, what does the entry in the third row and second column represent? So third row, this is the first row. See, this is the first row, second row and third row. So the order of the given matrix is 3 into is the first column and second column. So the order of the given matrix is 3 cross 2. This is the order of the given matrix. So the given question is, what does the entry in the third row and second column represent? So third row means the values are 26 and 27 and 26 in third row, and second column, see, third row, second column. So the value is 26. Third row, second column. See the coincident point. The third row, second column, 26 is the value. So this value is what? The worker in the factory third. The worker is women worker. So answer for this one is women worker in the third factory, that is 26. Now go through the next question. Second question, if a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So already we have studied orders of the given matrix. The order of the given matrix is given by m cross n. Usually we write m into n. So order of the given matrix is m cross n. Usually we write m and n. To find the order for the given elements, the product of two natural numbers is equal to 8. Product of two natural numbers is equal to 8. So now see the possibilities. 1 into 8 is equal to 8, true. 2 into 4, true. 4 into 2, 8, true. 8 into 1, it is true. So first matrix 1 cross 8, 2 cross 4, 4 cross 2, 8 cross 1. So there are 8 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? That is m cross n. So usually we write mn. So to find the orders for the given elements, the formula is the product of two natural numbers should be equal to 8. So see, consider the first one, 1 into 8, that is equal to 8, which means there are 1 row 8 columns. 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 2 rows 4 columns, 8 elements, 4 rows, 2 columns, true. 8 rows, 1 column, true. So these are the possible orders it can have. Now go through the third question. Construct a 3 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of I minus 3j. We consider only positive elements. There is no negative elements. You knew it, this one. You understood, right? So this is the symbol of only for positive, mod symbol. Now construct a 3 cross 2 matrix, which means what? There are 3 rows. 2 columns. First you have to write the general matrix, general form of matrix. Yesterday you have studied, right? So if you name this as matrix as A, there are 3 rows, 1 2 3. There are 2 columns, 1 2, correct? So first element which belongs to first row, first column, first row, second column, second element. Now second row, first column, second row, second column, third row, first column, third row, second column. I and j means what? Ith row, jth column, ith row, jth column. Now find the first element. What is the value of first element? Which means a11. Now find the first element a11. So that is equal to, now see here, a11 is equal to the given formula Aij is what? Given formula Aij is equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3j. This is the general formula, right? Aij is equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3j. Now a11, which means ij, the I value is equal to 1, j value is equal to 1. Then the value of a11 is equal to what? I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. a11 is equal to what? 1 by 2. Then I minus 3j, I value is equal to 1 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. So this is positive. 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1. The value of a11 is equal to 1. See, the value of a11 is equal to I value, the first element, first row, first column. Element belongs to the first row, first column. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. a11 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 3, 1 by 2, 1 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1. This is the a11. Now a12 value is, what is the value of a12? Now directly you go 1 by 2 formula, general formula, 1 by 2, general formula 1 by 2, a12 I 1 minus 3 into j, 3 into 2, right? That is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 6, that is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, so that is 5. Answer is what? Answer is 5 by 2. Now next, first row finished. Now second row, a21. What is the value of a21? a21 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 I value is 2 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. So this is positive. So 1 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now go through the a22 value. Formula is 1 by 2 mod of I minus 3j. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. 1 by 2, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. 3 into 2, 6. So 1 by 2, 2 minus 3, 6. Then 1 by 2, 2 minus 6 is equal to what? Minus 4. So 4 is positive by 2, that is equal to 2. This is A22 value. Now go through the A31. I value is equal to 3, j value is equal to 1. I is 3, j is 1. 1 by 2, 3 minus 3 into 1, j value is 1. That is equal to 1 by 2, 3 minus 3 into 1 is 3. Correct? So 3 minus 3 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. This A31 value will be 0. Now find the value of A32. I value is 3, j value is 2. I is 3. The formula is given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3j. 1 by 2, 3 minus 3 into j value is what? 2, 6. 1 by 2, 3 minus 6. That is equal to 1 by 2, 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So when you take minus 3 outside of the mod, you will get 1 by 2 into plus 3. So answer is 3 by 2. Now see the values once. A11, see A11 value is 1, A12 is 5 by 2, A21 is 1 by 2, A22 is 2, A31 is equal to 0, A32 is equal to 3 by 2. Got it. Now fill in the general form. The general form matrix of A is given by 3 rows, 2 columns. A11 value is what? A11 value is 1. A12 value is 5 by 2. A21 value is 1 by 2. A22 value is 2. A31 value is 0. A32 value is 3 by 2. So this is the matrix, constructing the matrix 3 cross 2. The elements are given in the general form, that is Aij is equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3j. So the matrix is equal to, the elements of the matrix are 1, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 2, 0, 3 by, how many rows are there? 3 rows, 2 columns. See, this is the general. In the next video, we'll study about the types of matrices.